Hello students, myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School Jhansi. Today we are starting with a new chapter of economics of class 12, that is national income and related aggregates. So today we will discuss 5 concepts of this chapter. First is national income, factor income, resident, non-resident, and how domestic income can be converted into national income. So starting with national income, what is national income? National income is the value of final goods and services produced within one accounting period of any country. It is also known as aggregate supply or NNP at FC, which means net national product at factor cost. So why national income is necessary to study? National income is calculated to find out the economic prosperity of any country. It is calculated to find per capita income of the citizen of the country. National income can be calculated by 3 ways. National income can be calculated by 3 ways. That is product, income, and expenditure method. So now the next topic is factor income. The next topic is factor income or factor payments can be broadly classified into 4 heads. First is compensation of employees received by the household or rendering their services as employees of the producing units. Second, rent which is received by the household for the use of their land by the producing units. Third, interest received by the household for the use of their capital by the producing units. And last, fourth, profit received by the household for their use of their entrepreneurial skills by the producing units. So these are the 4 subheads of factor. So I have said compensation of employees, rent, interest, and profit. These 4 things comes under factor income. Now, who is resident and non-resident of India? Any Indian citizen who lives more than for 182 days for carrying out its economic activities in an accounting year is termed as resident. And non-resident are those Indians or person of Indian origin who reside outside the India for carrying out their employment or business activity for uncertain period of time. So now, what do you mean by the domestic income? Domestic income can be technically known as NDP at FC, net domestic product at factor cost. So how NDP can be converted into national income? So here we have written NDP at FC and we have to reach NNP at FC. So by adding NIFIA, we can convert it into NNP at FC. NIFIA means net factor income earned from abroad. When NIFIA is added to domestic income, that is net domestic product at factor cost, we can obtain NNP at FC or national income. Or if we deduct NIFIA from NNP at FC, we can get domestic income. So today we have discussed national income, its importance, how it can be calculated by product, income, and expenditure method. What is factor income? Compensation of employee, rent, interest, profit. All these 4 are the heads of factor income. What is the difference between the resident and non-resident of India? How domestic income, that is NDP at FC, can be converted into national income, that is NDP at FC, by adding NIFIA, we can get NNP at FC. So that's all for today. Thank you, student, and